Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, where today I am going to be showing you how to install an SSD or hard drive inside of your computer, your laptop to be exact. With your computer, that's completely different. If you guys want me to do that in the future, I can. Anyways, so with this video, there's going to be a few things that you need. Number one, you'll need a screwdriver that is perfect for your laptop. A lot of screwdrivers are usually going to be like smaller for your laptop. That's what you'll probably need. I would test around. Most of them are Phillips on the bottom. A few of them could be Torque or Flathead, but I would mostly think that Phillips, which Phillips is the one with the four prongs. So yeah, a lot of people have them. Next, you'll need the hard drive or the SSD. The hard drive, you want to make sure about it one thing. Make sure that it is skinny. Now, when you buy one, they could say 2.5-inch drive, but a lot of them might not fit in your laptop. Matters about the size of your laptop and matters the size of the hard drive. If the hard drive is big, look for a bigger laptop. If the hard drive is smaller, any laptop will be able to fit it. For my laptop, I will be needing a smaller 2.5-inch hard drive or an SSD of any size, because SSDs don't change in size unless you buy a 3.5-inch one, which they don't usually sell anymore. Because if you put a 2.5-inch drive that is big, this will happen. Yeah, that's what's going to happen. And then that's all you're really going to need. So I'm going to be showing you how to open up my laptop. Another thing to add is that when you have a laptop like mine, like the MSI GL65 Leopard, or like anything like around that spectrum that are like really like durable and really strong to open up, one thing you will need is that you will need a flathead screwdriver or like a thing is like an iFixit like open piece. I don't know what they're really called, but they look like guitar picks. The like pry it open because the pins or like the hooks are so strong connected to the laptop. I know it's called something else, but I can't remember what it's called. So basically, it's so strong that you need to pry it open. Now this can cause a lot of pain if you use your fingers, because I did that because I didn't really want to scratch up my laptop with a flathead. But that's up to choice if you guys want to do that. I mean, use the flathead screwdriver or use your fingers, because I remember about like a day my fingers hurt. So yeah, let's get back to adding a hard drive to your computer. Laptop has a lot of screws on the bottom, and basically it has around 10 to 12 different kind of screws. Now, you might be saying, but my laptop doesn't look like that. Well, number one, there could be a laptop that just has one screw on the back, where you could just take it off, pull the back off, put a new hard drive in, or remove the current one, and there you go. Or you could have a MacBook. The MacBook has at least around 15 on the bottom, and they're all Phillips, I believe. I've opened mine up before, and then there you go. You put a new one in, or you can remove the optical drive and put a new one in. It's pretty easy to do. But anyways, so when you have the computer opened already, you want to make sure that on the SATA port, on the hard drive or SSD, and on the computer itself are lined up. You do not want to put it in backwards, or it will not connect and could actually destroy the port. But when you get that in, push it in as far as you can without like over pushing it. Just be careful with that. You don't want to break the port. I don't know if that is actually possible, but I'm just saying for precautionary reasons. Next, you want to do is that already inside, if you have my laptop, which is an MSI GL65 Leopard, there will be a little metal piece that's already put in, and there'll be some tape. I removed that stuff on accident, didn't mean to do that, because I thought a long time ago about stuff, but don't worry about that. So anyway, there's going to be a metal piece that you're going to have to screw down in. I don't know if the computer comes with screws. I'm guessing not, because I don't remember them. So I installed my own little screws. They're just the same exact kind of screws as like the screws that like close the back of the computer, but don't use them screws. You really need them screws. You don't want your laptop to just fall apart or make weird crack sounds because the computer's not closing all the way. So remember, always keep your computer screws away from the inside of the computer. After you got that done, then you can put on the back and boot up the computer, and then there you go. Right?
No. No.
Yeah, if you saw what happened to me, basically I thought I just had to put it in, and then there you go. No, there's one final step for people, and some people might not have this step and might be already done this tutorial. If you are, good job. But anyways, so when you buy an SSD or hard drive and not taking it from an old system, that has never been formatted in its entire computer life. So basically, it has no idea what to be. So basically, what you have to do on Windows, you have to go to disk management. And when you type in disk management, and it will say make new partition or something like that. So when you do that, it will then see volume 1. Click on it, make new volume, make it NTFFS for Windows, or you can make it FAT32, EXFAT, whatever you really want to. I don't really, I picked NTFX for mine, or NTFS, and then make it whatever letter you want, name it whatever you want, and then there you go. Now when you go back to this PC, you should see both your drives. And I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more computer reviews in the future. I'm probably going to be doing something with a computer every single Wednesday, so if you guys like computer stuff, please stay subscribed. Also, we're trying to hit 100 subs before the end of September. I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe. It's free. Also, a lot of people who watch my videos aren't even subscribed, so, I mean, I would really appreciate it. But anyway, guys, have a good day. See you guys later.
In the worst kind of way, you took all of my time and didn't give it back to me. Wasn't enough, and I don't know what to say. You wanna fall in love, but don't wanna feel the pain.